Hey guys, I'm Leaf Lusts and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing some goodies that arrived for me in the post today. We have 3 very exciting boxes and 4 different goodies. And I haven't told anyone what I've ordered yet, so this will be a grand reveal. I haven't bothered with makeup today, so soz. Right. First things first, let's start with the smallest. So this is a cutting that I've bought on eBay. It's actually taken the longest to arrive out of everything. So I just really hope that it is okay and nothing is damaged. Has been packaged really nicely in an envelope box, and I do find that that usually does help. I can't work out how the hell to get into it though. Oh. Very well taped. It's not even, it's a bit like an envelope box, but not quite the same. Okay, so here we go. Oh, that's really sweet. There's a little note on it saying enjoy your new plant. And it's wrapped in this tissue paper. So let's hope it's okay and let's find out what it is. I'm going to come a bit closer so that you can see. So, oh hey, it's a really teeny little Philodendron silver sword, or Hastatum silver sword. It's so cute. I actually put an offer in on this on eBay, and I think I got it for £3.50, which is pretty darn good. There are some roots on it, but I'm probably going to chuck it into water for a little bit. We've got some roots there, and look how sweet it is. This leaf is a little bit twisted, but hopefully it will recover. But we have got another new leaf coming in here. So this is cutting number 1, and you can see loads of nodes on that, so that's really cool. Now on to cutting number 2. This one is really exciting. This is a total wish list plant for me, and again I put an offer in and wasn't expecting it to get accepted because I offered quite a lot less than the person was asking, purely because I do actually think they were asking a little bit too much for what was essentially quite a small cutting, and we counter offered for a couple of times and it did get accepted. So it was sent by a special delivery. Again, it was bought on eBay. They've got really nice packaging there. I am wondering how actually big the cutting is because it looked tiny on eBay. But, yeah, it is absolutely tiny. This is a very big box for a very small plant. And here, oh, it's very taped in. It is beautifully packaged, I will give that. Really nicely packaged. So it's in there. Can you take a sneak peek? It looks like it has been sent in either moss or soil. Just gonna untape it so that I can hold it up for you guys. So, ugh. It does feel quite damp, that's my only concern. There we have a tiny little Philodendron Runtamium. I can never say these words. Brandtianum, potentially. It has been wrapped in very wet sphagnum moss, so I'm actually going to remove that ASAP because I really don't want it to rot. And I think that could be a severe possibility if it's left in there too much longer. So I'm going to get that out literally now because it arrived, it was only sent at about 5 PM last night, so we should still have, yeah, that is some very damp moss. You can see it's soaking wet, which we don't want because that is bad. But we've got the start of some little root babies, which is really cool. So I'm going to actually continue to pot this up in moss. I've got a little like shot glass thing that I'm going to pop it into with some much less damp moss, because this is like, I could squeeze it out and like, yeah, very wet. But welcome to the family, little dude. I got this guy for I think 27 quid, which if I was doing this again, I have recently found out that Eastern Tropicals sell full plants for only like 45, so I'd probably pick that. But it is really cute, and I am a bit of a sucker for a baby plant. So, bit of a bonus, because I wasn't expecting it to come with any roots at all, so the fact it has some is a really good start. So I'm gonna get that potted up, and well, I say potted up in some sphagnum moss, and we'll see how it goes. Now we're on to our biggest box. So this is a box from Eastern Tropicals. Eastern Tropicals is owned by a lovely lady called Sarah. She has an amazing collection of plants for sale on her site. She also has this wonderful thing called Bargain Basement, which is literally the best if you want really cool plants at a cheaper price, and still know that they're going to come to you in a really good way. I mean, some of them are in there because maybe their leaves aren't quite as happy, or something is just a bit odd with them. But honestly, Sarah is fantastic. She's definitely to be trusted, and one of the UK plant sellers that sells more rare products that I can really recommend. I've heard so many good things about her, but this is actually my first personal order from her. So I'm just gonna show you the box and how it's packaged. So we've got 2 items in here, which can't wait, I'm so excited. So I'm gonna put it like this so you can see. So I'm just gonna take out, so they're in these like little tubes, which is really cool because it means that nothing's getting damaged. And here's number 1. So number 1, let's work out how to do this without damaging the plant. I might just actually slip it out. Yeah. No, can't do that. Okay, I'm gonna, there we go. They're just stapled together. So this plant is labelled as a Philodendron Runtamium. So I've done a bit of research online, and there's literally nothing about it. It seems to be some kind of like nickname for the plant, and that's not actually what it's called. So I've been asking a few people on specialist philodendron sites. Look at how beautiful that plant is. It's got so many growth points. It is mad. I love it. And look at the underside of that leaf as well. It's like reddish, and they've got these like gorgeous lines on them as well. So that's really cool. This was only £11. After doing a bit of research online, it looks like it's actually worth a lot more than that. And I think if I hadn't have bought it from Sarah, I probably wouldn't find another one in the UK, but B, like, if I had, it would be on eBay for like crazy money. I mean, the people that I was talking to on the Philo group think that this is probably a hybrid between a couple of others, and one of those plants is worth 300 quid. So they may obviously be wrong, but either way, I don't care. Like, I love the plant. It's so cool. It's just so different. I love these long leaves. They're awesome. They're just something completely and utterly different. So thanks so much, Sarah. Really looking forward to this. This is actually a cutting from Sarah's own plant as well, by the way, guys. So she's rooted that up, and we'll have a look and see what it's in. Ooh. So she's packed it out with some like tissue on top to stop the soil going everywhere, which is a very bright idea as I'm opening this. So it seems to be potted in a mixture of soil, maybe a bit of coconut coir, and some perlite. I'm probably going to keep it in here for a while because it doesn't look like the roots are sort of upset or anything like that. No, perfectly fine. So I'm going to keep it in this and pop it in a little pot and let it recover from its journey. I mean, she sends things very fast, so it was actually only sent yesterday and it arrived this morning, so it shouldn't be too much shock for it to recover from. So I'll pop that to one side, and now onto this. So I'm really excited about this one. I've never seen one for sale in the UK this big. This again is obviously from Sarah. So this baby, it looks really healthy. I'll give you a sneak peek. Ooh, can you see an alocasia leaf? Because I can. So this baby was, I think, $12.99, $11.99, something like that. And it is, just trying to untape it. As you can see, that is an Alocasia pink dragon. And it is beautiful. That leaf is just magical. It is so cool. So yeah, really, really thrilled with that. That is stunning. Look at that leaf and that pink stem, so pretty. So yeah, a massive thank you to Sarah from Eastern Tropicals for 2 beautiful plants. Both of these together, including the delivery, cost me I think 33 quid. So a real bargain for 2 plants that, to be honest, I probably wouldn't have found elsewhere. So I hope you enjoyed my unboxing, and if you want to follow my journey to see how I'm going to propagate these guys, so the Philodendron Hastatum sword, silver sword, and the little Philodendron Brandtianum, then make sure you click subscribe, and I'll do another video on that soon, along with my Philodendron Verrucosum that I've currently got in some sphagnum moss at the moment. Have a great day, guys.